the small village, and the administration how to manage. So in this we will study about the dispute between the two people, and then what happened to that dispute and how the dispute is sorted out, that we will discuss. Like before starting it, let me show you this picture. You can see this is Mohan and this is Raghu. They both are having the fight, and why they are having the fight, that we will discuss. And what happened after the fight, what happened, what is the reason for that, that we will discuss in the lesson. But before telling that, let me tell you, like you know very well, like there are some more than 6 lakhs, there are more than 6 lakhs village in the India. Like taking care of their needs for water, electricity, road connection is not a small task. Like in addition to this, the land records they have to maintain, the conflict too need to be, like whatever the conflict is there, like they are having the problem of water, electricity, that are the small task. But there are the some problems like on the dispute on the land also. So that disputes how they are sought out, how the it should be solved, it will be we will see in this lesson. A large machinery is placed to deal with all this. In this chapter we will look at the work of the rural administration officer in some detail, like what is a work of the police SHO, and what is the work of Patwari, that we will study in this lesson. So let us start with this lesson. What has actually happened, there is a quarrel in the village. Like Mohan was a very is a farmer, and his family own a small agriculture field. Again I'm telling you, Mohan is a farmer, and his family own a very small agriculture field. This you can also do in the like we can also act in the class also, like in small skit should be there, we can perform in the class also. Like one will be act like Mohan, and one will be act like Raghu. We will discuss later on. So before doing that, let me explain you. Mohan is a farmer, so he having a small agriculture field, which they have been farming for many years. Means they are doing farming in that field for many years. And next to their field, there is a Raghu field. Like you can see the field. There's a picture is given here. So the next to their field is the Raghu field, and they are just separated by the boundary. The one morning what happened, what Mohan noticed, like Raghu had shifted his like bird by a few feet. By doing so, he had to manage take care over the Mohan's land and increase the size of his own land. Means he increased the size of his own land by increasing his boundary. At this, when the Mohan just saw it, he was very angry, and but he was frightened also. Why he was angry? Because Raghu have shifted the boundary, he has increased his land. And why he was frightened? Because Raghu family own many fields, means they are rich enough. And beside, his uncle was also sarpanch of the village, means he has a very strong background. Raghu has a very strong background. That's why the Mohan was very much frightened. But even so, he plugged like he just taken his all courage and went to Raghu's house, and he just went to Raghu's house to discuss why it is so. So a heated argument followed. Raghu refused to accept that he moved the bird, and he called one of his helper, and they began shouting at Mohan and beating him. Means they started beating Mohan. They don't agree what the Mohan is saying. The neighbor heard, like they all the neighbor heard and just rushed to the spot, and Mohan was being beaten up. They took him away. Means he was beaten up and he was took like the neighbor have taken Mohan away. But he was very badly hurt on his head and the hand. What is the reason? Because he was argumented to the Raghu, because the Raghu had extended the land, but Raghu didn't agree by this. So what happened? He was given first aid by one of his neighbor. His friend who ran the village post office suggested that they should go to the police station and file the report. Means they the problem was so big, like the dispute was there, he was beaten. So one of the friends suggested like he should go to the police station and he should file a report. Other were the doubtful. It was good idea, but because they felt they would be waste of lot of money, because Raghu's families already have a strong background, like his uncle is a serpent, so they have a good contact with the police station, and Mohan will ultimately waste his money, and there is no use of going to the police station. But after so much of discussion, it was decided that Mohan would go to the police station along with some of the neighbor. Now, what happened? Mohan went to the police station. Now you can see the scene here. The police, like the SHO sitting here, the police officer is sitting here, and Mohan is telling his problem. But now what happened? On the way to the police station, one of the neighbor asked, "Why don't we spend some more money and go to the main police station in the town?" And it is not a question of money. We can suggest the case only in this police station because our village come in its area. So that whatever the police station will come to the area, they have to go to that area. Every police station. Now what happened? Let me tell you. Every police station had an area that comes under this control. All the police, like every person is going there because that comes in their area. So whenever there is a problem, like theft is there, accident is there, injury is there, fight is there, they will go to the police station. So there's some question we can discuss in the class, and we will discuss later on. But what are the questions? If there is a theft in the house, which police station would they have to go? The police station that come into their area. And what was the dispute between the Raghu and Mohan? On the they have the dispute on the land. And why was Mohan worried about making a quarrel? He was worried because his uncle was sarpanch, and some people, like their friends, said to him that we should go to the police station. Now, what happened in the police station? Then investigation is there. The Mohan showed his injury, but the SHO didn't believe him. Mohan was puzzled, did not know what to do. He was not sure why his complaint was not being recorded. He went and called his neighbor into the office. They argued and strongly that Mohan had been beaten. Now their neighbor said that Mohan had been beaten. So ultimately, after a long discussion, after the Mohan complaint is just now what happened. First of all, before telling that, let me tell you what is the work of police, what is the work at police station. When they reached the police station, Mohan went to the person in charge, the SHO, the station house officer, and told him what happened. He also said that he wanted to give the complaint in writing. The SHO rudely blushed him and aside, saying that he could not bother to waste his time on writing his complaint. Now would have been injured seriously. He showed the injury also. They insist that the case to be finally the officer agreed, and he asked Mohan to write down his complaint. After so much of long discussion, after so much of long things, showing injury also, finally the Mohan complaint was now written. He asked Mohan to write down his complaint, and also told the people that he would send the constable the next day and to investigate the incident. Like he sent the constable to just look out, just to investigate all the incident, actually what happened. So he sent it. So I hope so this much is clear to everyone. Now, the maintenance of the land records. You saw that Mohan and Raghu were arguing, like they are on the boundary, like Raghu have extended his boundary and shifted his boundary. Is not there a way by which they could have settled this? Now, there is a question how this dispute will be settled out. So what? Let me tell you, there are the records that show who owns how much land. So they measure the land. Measuring land and keeping the land record is the main work of the patwari. You can underline this. So they know, they have all the details who have how much land is there. So they're measuring the land and keeping the land record in is the main work of the patwari. The patwari, known by different names, you can say the Lekpal, and Gangu, and even the Karamchari or the village officer, etc. We will refer to this officer as a Patwari. Now, he is responsible who look after and who just maintain and update the records of the village, means who have how much land is there. So the map and corresponding details register on the next page, the same part of the record kept by the Patwari. Now, this is the work of Patwari to keep the records and update the records. So find out the term used by Patwari in the state, and if you live in a rural area, find out how many village does the Patwari or your area maintain the land record. So this is also your work. You will study the Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of the land revenue from the farmer. Means they also collect the land revenue from the farmers, providing information to the government about the crop grown in the area. This is done from the record that are kept, and that is why it's important for the Patwari to regular update these. So the farmer may change the crop grown on their field, or someone may dig as somewhere. So he have to keep the record also, and he have to collect the revenue also, and he also keep the information of the crop also, and these all information he sent to the government. So this is a work of Patwari. Now I will take this much only today, and you can see it is shown in this, like Khasra 5, you can see the owner is Mohan and the name are given Raghu. Like the rented, it is written no crop grown soybean, and the area it is mentioned here. So this is all the record maintained by the Patwari. So in today's lesson we have studied about the dispute about the Mohan and the Raghu. They dispute because the Raghu have shifted his land, and Mohan was badly beaten because Raghu was very strong background. He was, his uncle was Sarpanch, so he went to the police station. There also the like the police officer didn't agree what happened. Lastly, after so much of discussion, he agreed and sent his constable to the place where the incident happened. And by how the dispute is solved, because the Patwari have all the record of the land measurement. So by this, I hope so this part is clear to everyone. So go through the lesson and read it